Welcome to the VP750 and VP700 tutorial series. This video is about replacing and installing the cutter assembly and slash or output module. Open the top cover. Open the clamshell. Remove the plastic cover that is covering the wires. Carefully cut the cable ties securing the cables to the side of the clamshell. Use a small flathead screwdriver to release the wire harness of both connectors and separate it. Be careful not to cut any of the cable connectors. Remove the 4 screws securing the output module and cutter assembly. Remove the outer screws first. Then, remove the inner screws. Place both the output module and cutter assembly aside, then proceed to disassemble them. Cut the cable ties. Now remove the screws as shown here. Gently pull the black cable from the bottom corners of the output module, then ease the module out. Now the output module and cutter assembly are disassembled. You can replace either one. After replacing the desired part, assemble them back together. Seat the new output module on the cutter assembly, aligning the mounting holes for the screws. Assemble the output module to the cutter assembly with 2 screws. Loop the black cable over the bottom of the output module, pushing it back into the notches at the corners of the cutter assembly. Tidy the harness with the cable ties. Assemble both the output module and cutter assembly to the printer. Assemble 4 screws securing the output module and cutter to the printer. Replace the 2 screws in the center before replacing the outer ones. Reattach the wire harness connector for the output module at the side of the clamshell. Tidy the cables at the side of the clamshell and secure them with cable ties. Wrap the plastic wire cover on the wires. Carefully close the clamshell while checking that none of the cables get caught or pinched. Close the top cover. For more information, visit www.vipcolor.com and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos.